Look at guys, kangaroo and crocodile. I want to try that one because we don't have that in New Zealand. Crocodile. Kangaroo and crocodile. We don't have that in New Zealand. Only here in Australia. See. Crocodile. Ang dami nag-aantay guys sa crocodile at saka sa kangaroo. 10 minutes pa. So, ngayon ay Australian Day. Ayan guys, niluluto na yung order ko na kangaroo and crocodile. So, first time kong makakatikim ng kangaroo at crocodile. So, ayan yung meat. Ayan. So, yun yung meat. Crocodile, tsaka yung kangaroo. So, yung brown daw, yun daw yung kangaroo. So, possible, yung white meat, para siyang chicken. So, yun yung crocodile. Pero actually, yung amoy niya hindi masarap.
So, I wanna try kangaroo. Can I pay with your card?
So, yung red or brown meat, so that's the kangaroo, and the white one is like chicken, is crocodile. So, I'm still waiting on my orders, everyone. So, the white one, like a chicken, that's the crocodile, and the red one or the brown one, that's the kangaroo.
So, from here we can look. Where's the engine? Sorry, man. Good. Okay, to be forward, huh? Inside is the half two kangaroo crocodile.
Okay, so guys, this is my order. Kangaroo and crocodile. Let's try it. Guys, this is kangaroo and crocodile. This is crocodile. Meat like chicken. Kangaroo. Looks like beef. Let's try it. I'm eating a crocodile. Crocodile tastes like chicken but chewy. And it's tasty. Now, let's try the kangaroo. Kangaroo tastes like venison.
Yeah.
Venison. Tastes like venison.
I'll try kangaroo before.
But on my review, I like kangaroo than the I like crocodile than the kangaroo.